one of the craziest insurance stories you'll ever hear. I have a friend of mine that's in the aviation insurance, and he had a client that came in and his premium doubled. It went from like $2,100 to $4,000 a year. It was an older gentleman, and he was flying a fancy plane and didn't want to pay for the insurance. He decides to go flying, and he's flying in the air, and he's getting ready to land, and he notices that his nose gear is not coming down. So while in the air and the nose gear is not coming down, he's trying to figure it out. He's doing laps around the airfield. He calls my buddy and says, "Hey, that insurance policy that I didn't pay for, I want to put it in force right now." And my buddy's like, "What do you mean you want to put it in force right now?" He goes, "Yeah, I need to put it in force right now." My buddy says to him, "Where are you?" He goes, "I'm flying. I can hear the sound." He goes, "Why do you want to put it in force? My nose gear's not coming down, and I'm just worried that I'm going to cause a lot of damage to the plane. I want to put my policy in force." My buddy says, "Well, I can't do that right now. You're about to have a claim." And so sure enough, the pilot couldn't figure out how to manually put the nose gear down, even though there was a handle. He lands the plane, survives the plane crash. The prop gets damaged, and the plane had about $80,000 worth of damage. All of this will not be covered because he didn't want to pay the extra $2,000 for insurance. The guy's life is in danger, and he's more worried about getting insurance on his plane than figuring out how to land safely. So I thought that was really funny.